Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI Mi 9 Lite and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. You try search something but you don't have it there. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo and choose Settings option in it, Family, and their parental controls. As you can see, now you have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and we can change it from PG3 to maybe PG16. Confirm by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!